the organizers for giving ICICI Bank an opportunity to make a small presentation at this forum. I have been warned by my chairperson that I don't have more than 5 minutes, so I won't take too much of the time. The only point I wanted to keep in front of all of you is, what is a bank doing in e-governance? As a banker, most of our job revolves around keeping deposits and giving assets to the people who want loans. However, what ICICI Bank has been at the forefront is technology. And what we have been doing with a host of governments, whether it is central, state governments, local bodies, or even PSUs organizations, we have been working together with them to ensure that we provide technology solutions to most of these requirements, to meet their requirements. Now, at the end of it, there is a current account. However, to reach that current account, there is a huge amount of technology development that is required. And that is what we have been providing to a large number of government customers. So that is where we come in. One of the products that we have developed especially for the government segment is the e-tendering software. So what I am going to present to you is only a small part because we don't have much time. What I am going to tell you is about the e-tendering software that we have provided. So a lot of the organizations today, and as the Honorable Minister also said, that Kerala has compulsory e-tendering. So similarly, most of the government organizations provide e-tendering through an electronic mode. But what is through DDs, and DDs are paid for EMD as well as DDs are given for refund purposes. So what we have done is we have integrated our payment solution with the e-tendering software of some large software vendors. So the way it works is we go and present it to the government and present a combined solution, e-tendering and then the payment part also. So this payment part is a payment solution which not only provides solutions for making payments through cards, net banking, but also through RTGS and NEFT, as well as through branch walk-ins. So a bidder can walk into a branch of ICICI Bank and make payment for his EMD payment, for his various other payments. So that provides a very strong product to the government, giving a solution to its various bidders. Similarly, when the government also requires information at the end of the day, so we provide total MIS along with all these methods. So whether you made payment through cards, net banking or through RTGS, one consolidated MIS is provided to the government. At the end of the bidding, what happens? So while the bidding is going on, we have absolute no visibility of who is bidding for what. However, what we do provide is validation, because what happens in most of the organization, the government ensures that only those people can bid who have registered with them. So the software ensures validation. It provides them a solution saying that only the registered bidders are able to go and bid for this. And hence, this way, there is complete security, transparency, and audit trail also. So, because of this, there is a large number of governments who have given us these mandates. So last year we got the mandate from government of Karnataka to do the e-tendering for the entire state. This was more than 5,000 departments and 1 lakh crores of transactions which are now passing through this e-tendering module. Similarly, we have got this year from government of Haryana, government of West Bengal. This year again, government of Maharashtra passed a GR mandating the e-tendering solution that we have provided. That is under implementation at this point of time. And a host of other government organizations have provided us an opportunity to use this e-tendering software that we have. So this is one way that we provide technology solutions. So the end of the day, we provided a payment solution along with an integrated e-tendering solution. So that for the government gives one solution for all the problems that they face. Now, this is something that has been rapidly growing, and ICICI Bank is very keen to partner with any of the government organizations that think that they require an e-tendering solution. I think I won't take more time. Thank you very much all. Thank you very much.